No,
Well, that is a
no,
mistake. That's a printing error. It should be Grianach. It should be Grianagh.
Yes, it is here. It's Greinagh.
Yes, yes, it should be Ian.
Yes.
That's right. Anyway, Grianach means sunny, so it doesn't matter how it's spelled, as long as you got it right. So it's Faragher, fire, Ostja, Stermach, Öd, Chore, Moor, as Gier, O Takayas, Kenya, Cred, Raweltach, Ron, Tardes Shaw, Cregan, Grianach, Tryan, Erlen, Tonnen, Keshach, Taras Gau, the Hatnas, Merin, Munja Vara, Ron, Tajan Fordiach, Eru, She the Way as Graika, Eru, Ta, O Taras, Kor, Orn, no, I don't know what that word is, Caris, Clown, Droeltach, Ron, Bol tau Commel, Scadan, Palcha, Drucht, Gui, tau Cor, Oren, Ta, Esh, Ta, Cor, Dom de Vanach, Clown, the Mare, Ron. What does that Caris mean?
Well, here it's...
it should be Carjus, Carjys. Yes, that's what it is. It's a misprint in the original, so yes. CAR. Now we better read that line again. It's a misprint. So this third verse then would read Tajin Fordiacht Eru. She the way, not she the way. She the way as Graika Eru. Ta o tar as Cor Oren Carjus.
Yes.
Clown Droeltach. Ron. Clown can also be pronounced clon. It doesn't.
Oh yes.
Depends which part of the island you come from. Yes, so that is a misprint. That is Carjus.
Yes.
Right, so that's Craig Willie. So
we're getting on. Well, we did that. Yes.
Yes.
Have
you done this one?
No,
right.
Not with you. I have done it, but
yes. Now
that's
the
a different thing.
Mistake a lot of singers make with this is pronouncing Kiri as Kiri.
Oh yes.
It's Kiri.
Kiri.
It's the plural of the Manx word Kera, meaning a sheep. Nakiri Fonyachta. Nakiri Fonyachta.
Nakiri Fonyachta.
Logjaura de Njachta as Arach de Rjo. Vanashan Kiri Maru as Neden Begav Blio. That should be Blio, not V-I-O.
Oh yes.
Yes. O Iri Shu Mavachlin as Gau Shu Dan Clue. Tanakiri Fonyachta had down as Vadru. Shaw doet Nicholas Raby Gol so Seralout. De Raumish me Schacht Vanacht. Gay Hausen Wilt. O Iri Shu Mavachlin as Gau Shu Dan Clue. Tanakiri Fonyachta had down as Vadru. Kiri temps onze lagen, Kiri gors a clue re, Kiri kai corna kistja, that should be not kuna kistja, corna kistja, not jig de brech vei. O iri shu ma vochlin, as gau shu dan clue, Tana Kiri Fonyachta had down as vadriu. Jiri munja skill lanan as hayad eret chul. You know what? Chul. Who read Makiri now? That's all right, yes. They went on the walk. I'm sorry. Jiri munja skill lanan as hayad eret chul. Hurad Nakiri maru ons lagen varul. O iri shume vochlien as trudju veinklu. Tanakiri Fonyachta had down as vadru. There is in Manx and Trues of D which you can say had down if you want to.
Oh,
That's the correct way. You can just say had down. Now there was something wrong here, wasn't it? Where were we?
Oh yes, it was a B.
That's right. Yes.
B-O. Yes.
Yes.
That's life, isn't it? Yes.
Well, it means the little lambs were alive. You never say blio on its own. It's blio. Now you know how to pronounce that. It's not bio. It's blio. B-L-Y-O-H. Yes. Vanashan. Now I'm giving you the Northern Manx pronunciation.
Blio.
That's it. Shan is old, you see.
Yes.
Now you can either say van a shen kiri maru or a shan kiri maru.
Yes.
But shan is deeper, better Manx.
Yes.
And it's nicer to say shan because it distinguishes it from the other word shen, meaning that. Do you know that word shen and Thai shen? That
Yes.
house.
Yes.
So we always say now, van a shan kiri maru as neden bega blio.
Yes.
Blio.
Yes.
Not
yes.
blio.
Yes, I'll take that out
Yeah.
afterwards.
Right.
Yes, I got it there.
You
yeah.
got that.
As in.
Yes, you'd have to.
As Naden.
Yes, in is a lamb, and
And that, of course, is mutton.
yes, you cannot. This word lamb is terribly difficult. There's several ways of pronouncing it, but the shan kiri maru as ninin, you can also, but that's. It should be really E-A-Y-I-N
Yeah.
as nin bega brio. Anyway, it's all right. You'll get through it if you.
Yes, well, as I say, with it all on the tape,
Yes.
I can go through this. And
Yes.
now we've done
Carnival, yours,
that one. No, we didn't do that carval.
Right.
Shall we do it now?
Yes.
All right,
Ara
fine.
Jacob.
Yes.
Shan Jacob on lam of it tulit the ski lesh clach for kjaun laia shis egeni. On shen rinne dremel je ara lau beside a talu as rostjan ges nieuw. Tan ara fos vandach gen brisger be, tau zenen de vlinten goil slij soos ges G. Tau zenen on shen e kjaunen jane, as jayen tau zen chana soos dag le. Shuish ulju ta kert de chosna ges nieuw, ges jesa nen gara e kiet ha shu rau. Eg mullach en era te fakiach dag le, as neen habi treget, heg hogga ons tre. On shen habi trimje na denes na skis, in eest hadjen burna nen griden ok nen griden
Opgolshies.
nen griden ok golshies. En doenach gen jere on le nach wel kjau, ges bened de vanres ech waidere jou. On shen habi skelje na skare na smoe, ach giuwstjach en vanres gen jere tons nieuw. Het gloor is het dwaalje, ges G as een, som de brech as de brech, halleluja, amen.
That's the one I sang at
Yes, it's nice.
at Cape Breton.
I've heard this sung by a native speaker, that's how I
Oh yes,
listened to
yes.
it. Yeah.
Now, what did I notice there that you said? Oh, Shedden.
On Shedden,
Shedden.
yes, on
I
Shedden habi skele.
Yes.
You can say on Shedden if you like, but
Oh,
on
yes.
Shedden is more authentic Manx.
Yes,
On
yes.
Shedden habi skele.
But, as you go through that, I know that very well, and
Yes.
I can see all the things I haven't done right.
I see.
That's why they said my Manx was so much better this past year than
Yes.
that one, which was the very first one I ever
Yes,
sang.
Well, this is it. It takes time to
Oh,
make
yes,
progress.
yes, Leslie is always very good. He always
Yes.
says, getting on. And he said, I don't know anything about the music, but I just love to sit back and hear the
That's
notes.
right, yes. Now, do you know this one, Aren Savinach?
Yes, I think I know it reasonably well, but I'd still like
Obi
to
the
check.
hos lianu the bunjane, tre hedges and gear eich leesti and klein. Me brishes and bangan, noskes and ur, heglianu as klein as olju nendrur. Obi the hos lianu bure todden, tre illis and gear bunjani along. She harish and urka, harish and kiden, ons liavi to kadla lianu vegvin. Hier a krankglas o lianu mechri, tre gires en vis olju ek shi, ach as en fin hig Moest dus
SNIE.
snuwen. Ach, as een fin hig.
Snow.
Snuwen. Snuwen. Oh, I've got it. Snewanian. Sorry. It means cobwebs. Gossamer.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Whether it's the way it's printed here, I don't know.
When is it printed?
Which one is it? The
Third verse. Snewanian.
Gossamer. Fian.
Cobwebs. That's right. Cobwebs. Snewanian. Yes, that's it.
Oh, that's all one word.
Yes, and the
actually,
stress is
yes.
on the N part there in the middle.
Yes.
See? I'll read it again. Hier cronk glas oliano machri, tre gires in eves olju ek she, you can either say olju or olje ek she.
Yes.
Ach asen fin, hig snuanian kjol,
Yes.
echt clunios adsen trolt nunas nol. So it's snuanian.
Yes.
You know those things that brush your face in the summer when you walk? Those are snuanian.
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely.
As distinct from a round cobweb, you know, the round thing.
Yes.
That's got a
Yes.
different name
It's just the
altogether.
strands across.
That's
yes.
right, those
yes.
are snuanian. Yes.
Yes.
And they mean little spinnings.
Yes.
That's what
Yes.
I mean,
So
yeah.
they've been going across. Yes. This is one of Mona's favourites.
Yes, it's
she
lovely.
said.
That. It's very nice.
That's one of Bordeaux.
Yes, it's lovely.
And oh yes, this was another one.
And do you know this one? That's a reine blé, the grinding song.
Yes. Well, you see, it's all these little things which I haven't
Not
had
na
right.
blé, a reine
Yes.
blé.
Yes.
O tan corca mai son beist as dunja, de ginu che as ladja ulja, as ons kunlach corca,
My the lie.
meh,
NY it is.
M-Y. Meh.
Right.
Well, that's meh then in that case.
Yeah.
As ons kunlach corca, medalai, owen mullen and mullen o. I'm sorry, owen mullen and mullen o.
Yes.
As an aru no. As tan grain veg corca golgus a william. O tan kernach mai son bern as arn, mai lesh keje ibn a solemn, te mai ons tai as mai ons keel, o an wullen o, as an aru no, as tan grain veg kernach golgus a william. You don't need to say that V in front of it, or that M really, because that's vocative. That should be
Yes.
O and woolen O, and that's just a woolen,
Yes.
not woolen, not millen,
Yes.
woolen.
William.
Yes, you know how we say
William?
Glen Willen.
Yes.
It's Glen William.
Yes.
William. It's related to the French moulin, you know.
Oh, goes the William.
Yes, Golgus of William. O tan grain veg on, that's really wrong because grain is masculine. It should really be on grain beg, but it doesn't matter because in the song it says this. So it's o tan grain veg on na shena ulja. Now this is where we would say na shena ulju, you see,
Yes.
because it's got to rhyme with fulju,
Yes.
which is multcha. O tan grain veg on na shena ulju, te enrakan on tamigoil son fulju. Be on corblios en a king ons kree, en a ching ons kree, I'm sorry, on the sick in heart, en a ching ons kree, on wullion o, as an aru no, as tan grind veg on, as soul gus a wullion.
That's lovely.
That be alright?
That's got a lovely swing to
Yes,
it.
it has,
Get
isn't it?
that
Soul gus a wullion.
We did that one. My good friend. We didn't do that. Tell me which of that's Scottish.
No, I
we
don't
did
know.
that. Yes, we did those two, and I had written out these, you see.
Yes.
But, well, perhaps we better go straight through and anything that's left.
Egan ons Bethlehem.
Yes, this is 11.
Yes, lovely this. Nish lidach shin en failure shaw, frail lesh kriechen gledden, ons konjachten je Jezus Christ, igen ons Bethlehem. Dege kurten salles goil en duches ein, rugged je mudgen gledden gin kron, igen ons Bethlehem. Echt einlen jou ren boga goil, henk lesh na najachten hun, Gins J Saweltach rugged Jew, Egan ons Bethlehem. Gloire the G's and urged host, Terrail ons manrus been, Agnia my ye ne shailjet doen, Egan ons Bethlehem. Nach moer en engeled as a cry, ons Jezus Christen in, Tregawe komme havant, Egan ons Bethlehem. I see you've got havant there.
Yes.
But you can also say havant.
Yes.
It's Northern Manx again. I have a tendency
Yes.
to speak Northern Manx. It's better Manx, really.
Oh, well, of course.
It is.
Yes, I looked that up
200
in the
years ago
dictionary,
that
you
was
see.
written in a...
Yes.
Yes, no, that was in Means Dictionary.
Yes.
And all
yes.
his pronunciations are Southern Manx, every one of them.
Are they?
Yeah,
Yes.
without exception. That's where he lived in Port Eden when he was doing this
Oh,
dictionary,
yes,
you know.
yes.
Mm.
So you get this.
Yeah,
this
so you can
slant to
either
it.
say havant or havant. Havant is...
What I noticed particularly with this is that, I've been doing too much of the s instead of the sh.
Oh, I see.
You
In
know,
where? Give me an example.
All
of that.
these things, you have the soft kind of Z sound, like,
Yes.
like the Gaelic speakers in Scotland.
That's right, this is the...
When we went to one
Yeah.
of these places, she said, we haven't got the electricity yet.
Yes. Mm.
And we thought, oh, that's lovely, that's real Gaelic
Yes.
sound,
He used to say to me,
electricity.
the right... You've got good Gaelic, but why don't you learn the right Gaelic? He used to say to me. Now, carval and Norlic.
Yes.
Carval and Norlic. It's not Nolic, It's
Oh, yes,
Norlic.
Norlic.
Carval and Norlic.
Norlic.
That's
Yeah.
a Latin word, natalicio. To me, it means the birth.
Yes.
Carval and Norlic. She shaw and lay rug Christen and Jan, Cren fa nach goms aren. Cren fa nach... Now there's something missing in there. It should be Dermids, D-E-R. Cren fa nach Dermids gloa the G, vis the brech man. You've missed the verb out there somehow.
This is taken from the hymn book.
Is it? Well, there's a mistake in it.
Oh, I'll put that in.
You can't
afterwards.
say Cren fa nach Meds. It's got to be Cren fa nach Dermids. Why
Yes.
do we not
Yes,
give glory to God?
yes.
Vis the brech man, right? Jew hairo leg glorol cot, chach de racht vai G, de inch de denia krinan sha, de rau ok fla de he. As vod clon genia vein and dost, or you can say as vod clown genia vein and dost, tre henk hun huish de gres, Heng charne wij wijn jougen hoos, de houweel shin wij bes. As renne einlen bannet chen, les
Hingus.
bingus it is, les bingus, that means melody, melodiousness.
Yes.
Les bingus, boga, meow, she ye as grai, as agnia mai, a heilchach de shiel now. Eest haine denia krine rau, shia gaiet roleg. Dera hurad igan beg, kjaun na le jeg. Hur Abraham as Isaac Jew, na gyal ji dau rolau. Jew rug saweltach tel, de vanige shiel now. Jew henknen jarn de chunelin, Jew rug ri Israel. Jew rug mac vodjen Jezus Christ. Jew rug Emmanuel. It's nice, huh?
It's lovely.
So don't forget that piece is missing. That,
No, I'll put it in there.
Wherever that came from, it's a mistake. Typing that out.
Yes, I took that out of the
Yeah.
hymn book too.
Yes.
I know that's a great favourite of Royston's,
This
and he
is
always
lovely,
sings up when,
Yes.
when we get to that. Oh yes, we did that one. I found a nasty little note. I've been getting it wrong there.
yes.
I don't know whether I'm going to be able to get it. Nobody will know except maybe somebody who's got the same book. If I don't do it, it's a C sharp instead of a C natural.
Oh,
see,
yes.
it's terribly but yeah, but I've got another week worth of it.
Yes, you know, Scolag egg.
Yes, the
Do
young
you want
man.
that one?
Yes.
And Scolag egg, the young scholar. O Scolag egg leis cadagan éilen, the chulen gennel, tad strai me shi. Havel fesed ta me kriegol vom, tre bims faganú lazy. Ta mish frelare, tre biu maciach, savora, mache de carval du. Ach, havel siwish coshilia orm, me cordau grais, rovonach tau. Ha jagams nish visu emson graida. It shouldn't be graide, unless it's graide. Should that be right? Ha jagams nish visu emson graide. It depends whether she says, I wouldn't expect you to be mine for a lover or for a dear love. Now, which one is it?
So, grey. Yeah.
Oh, it's Greider it is, not Greider. Really, it shouldn't be. Unless she's changed the word Mona's changed it to spin it out to the... How does it go, the tune? Hi, here comes.
Oh dear, I don't know this round.
Here comes Nishville. You see, Greid, there's no such Manx word as Greider. There's either Greider or Greider. Two separate words. That's it, Greider, it is.
Yeah.
Yes, right. So that Y wants to come out of it there. Eh?
Oh, I see. Yes.
It's
right.
ha Jakums Nish visu Ems son Greider.
Yeah.
Ach tami konjachten de gennelis. Tre bims pust shan erinjach bertjach. Ons ashlish liats bim son tre gennis. It's nice, that lovely. He's a fairy lover,
Yes.
strictly speaking. En lianen she. Va bedden veg waiach vi chit vai Kilkenny. As mish malamakan eg nok na she. Vi shul ha den desach ons alini. Hai mish ons fallach de yichen mahai. O quae va shaw chit hum vai Kilkenny. Jory na sailor vai father J. Van fault du min ek as komma tana. Maar ashlish walden sail shanes an e. Kyo shilja bu vi as dire mi uri. Hiani mish his ons a glaun of lay. Ach ons a feg van furcht na hostje. Hig mi echt wie na lianen she. O lianen she ta mi clashtjen kinjach. Tau gemach orm trud as lay. Han others ko grai nish bedden ma venach. She mish me lommaken trud me ve.
And B-E-N is bedden.
Bedden.
Yes.
Ben.
In other words, it should be the
Well,
McCree.
Bedden McCree is... There's a thing in Manx called the intrusive D or the intrusive T, and it appears in Manx, Cornish and Icelandic only.
Oh.
And it's reputed by the scholars to be a sign of decline of the language. Yeah.
Oh.
Now you can either say Ben or Bedden, whichever you like.
Yes. Which do you think sounds more authentic?
Bedden.
Yes.
Really.
Yes.
Bedden, yes.
This is where, as you say, the lesbian
is-
quirks of this world
this
will
is where
know
this-
I've been doing my homework.
This is where they say you've got the right Gaelic.
That's right,
Yes,
that's what I
Bedden.
want.
Now, Isbel, it's not Isabel in
No.
Manx, it's Isbel, and it's spelled Y-S-B-A-L.
Yes.
Isbel Falsa, or Falsa.
Yeah.
No, is that in Isbel Falsa? I don't know why, but anyway. O in Isbel Falsa, ti bora mehin, as kindach ri tammy ges fjoget as cream, les suri as brega, as ginch ridden boyach, as gelden nach Jenny Colina de Brech. Na Keerten gom Dennis, as gedden wij kiss, as echt nie greerum tau merliach genis. Na Keerten ti gere as Gino Jim sport, as echt Keerten elia de graiach rom laat. Echt hig polt Doris na crank gles, as me crie lieben marojag chau stai ons me vles. Goil agel de darach en skele de stjach, de berge de urlu, de woele ma jech. Nach trei en rud suri, as gol nach sen fod ledden danger maadi, as drach agne slay. Nach burdo ve lal ben houders van blio. Na ve boret, as eiret, as segnet maar show. It's very good. One or two English words in it, but it's
The
good.
kiss,
Yes,
yeah.
that's nice.
I haven't done that yet. I do.
Do you know the
vaguely
three?
know this. Oh yes, I know the melody of
You
that
haven't
very
been
well.
through this one.
No,
No,
not.
now this
I
is
mean,
three poor fishermen. That should be a
Yes.
Y in. It doesn't matter. It's
Oh, yes.
East Erin, right?
Yes.
Three East Erin bochte.
Yes.
Three East Erin bochte. Eist rums McCurgeon as goim shoenish ren McKeown three East Erin bochte. Ve onskila stonden. Tom Cowell les June a Caraca as Eliam McChristine. Hayad was a tie on Savora. Van sledden sail, cuden as mean. And faster shaw of a doracha, les derm as les shean, as an gear any shager as gatchi sauce a kidden. Van a tree stare and bochte, glek shira the gold tie, harawa dousen ach va deel haren a weg of eye. Houders dan sail cuden as mean, and moor, tere, is it? Yes,
Tere,
moor, tere. Ach te cor eden elia, tre hedges and gee. Te ma lion gar vegach, as njatel te corre, son gatje sauces brisja, as kinjach say the bray. Dag adshaw mren as clown. That's not asshaw. It should be dag adshaw mren as
Oh,
clown.
that's my mistake.
Karel de het riech thai. Ach adsen te golgus a kiden, de minnick ons gaurai. Son te me gauwen dan gerach. Och, no, it's no, I'm sorry. Son te ne gauwen dan gerach. Och kom besel dag. Sjou. As ons nen meiden tad ons aal je juned woer voor. Ons aal, not ons ago. You can
Yes.
say ons aal was on.
It's
aal.
like the Lao.
Yes, that's
Yes,
right. That's
it's the same,
yes, yes, it's
yes.
elision of medial consonants.
You see, this translation here is
Yes, it's a
very
bit-
poetic, but it doesn't
Yes,
have anything to do with it. Tom Cowley and John
Juna Caraca, no, that's
Yes.
John Faragher,
John
you see.
Faragher
Yes,
and William Christian.
that's right, William Christian, yes. It's nothing to do with it, that, no.
No,
It's very free. However, it's even the Manx is a little bit stretched and
Yes.
points. That's why I was slowing up here and there, because
Yes, that's a lovely one.
it's very nice.
I think
it's a
it's
nice...
one a woman could quite easily sing
Oh,
too.
yes, Royston sings this lovely.
Yes,
and I'm
he
sure
does.
you could, yes.
Yes. I think that's all I've got
That's
written
all
out.
you've got.
and,
Yes, that's fine.
There are other little ones. I've got Mona actually singing the Hound of Egg Dawn.
Yes.
So if I did ever want to do it, I
Yes.
could kind of check on hers, you know. She did a lovely little version of this on the tape we took to Scotland.
Yes. Now you pronounce that Macallion.
Italian.
Veg
Yes.
Dawn.
Yes.
Macallion Veg Dawn.
Yes, that's a nice little one. There's not
Yes.
much to it, but it's rather,
No.
rather nice. And of course that one I don't bother with that. Leave that to Bernard.
Yes.
And what's the other one? Ishtash, I leave that to them. Did you get the record, by the way, of Brian Stoll's?
No, I didn't. No.
It wasn't ready. I hadn't got it ready.
It's not ready yet, I believe. No.
Dear, what a
It's
shame.
coming from.
Because I was looking through
They
some
were
old
pumping
papers.
it out there at our stall at Tinnell
Yes.
most of the day. They had it on a. What do you call
Oh,
that thing? It was.
oh, they put it on. They
Yes,
played it, but they
yes.
hadn't got
They
the
haven't got it,
copies
no.
to sell.
It was only. Harry Crab as een mob beg. Henk een mob beg as a try, as Ruyad Harish en Geniach vlioch, a gera da oor na mara. Vada chi de hurten na conien, as tammy ginstju kiss vad gol de yenua. Trevan taida e chrai, Hanakad Shan Harry Crab Jesh, the Trolt Noon as Nall, the Gedden Lunya B Sanasta. The Harry Bach Grimet Ok, as we Kurretstjach ons Kruik Ostja Ok. Rish Ruyad Harish en Trai, as Shies Jene Bruchen, Hayad. Houders vakirach todjem een talu. Gauwad fee von clay, as gauw an een jou by een pogeregge, famine kainel. Nish gauwad een paten by een kruik, as kaingel ad lure jibben een leuge egge. As tre van kainel een fodder ook. Gauwad as hogad een drieben egge, as renad as I'll read that again, as renad shigge lesh een gur che, nish vad corre ons doris taul connen, as rei Harry asul shees a red joustai. Och, va bok mua gillach, creno a shaw, Belgera en Teelou. Hanel Fissems doet een paten, achten joul hidden melug. Rui Gillian Rui, day bokmoer. As wat gol oliu for the killia, gusadors. Ach, hoch, wat jere en teel oxen de firenjach. High reach Harry Crab, a chanel donjer bi grey cred haaie, gus een taai egge hidden, na taaien en mob beg.